I have here in my hands, in this box, a true piece of keyboard history, a real piece of art. That's really why I made the video. It's got a really cool detail that I really like. So let's get it open and take a look at the Yunzii IF99. Whoa, we got extra goodies. Hold up. It's already a 10 out of 10. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. And the reason I got it is you can get this little like engraving art sort of, I don't know what exactly it is, but it's cute. This one's like of the night sky with like a shooting star. And then the white version is like mountains, kind of like this. You got your keyboard shortcuts for probably like your lighting and stuff. We got the Mac stuff. We got the Mac keycaps, extra Gateron switches. Cool beans. And the last thing would be the power cable, I would assume. Power cable, keycap, switch puller. Very nice. Everything that you would need is in the box. Now it's time to take a look at it. Oh, they have it plastic wrapped like a snack again. It looks like I may have to... Oh, is this aluminum? What the heck? I may have to attach it myself, maybe? I think it just slots in there. Oh, it's a little magnet. Okay, let's take the dongle away. I like the color scheme. The gray, the black, and the white look really nice together. This is the little thing that I like. This goes in the top right corner. Let me get the plastic off. Take the plastic off of this. Ooh, boy. First impressions, this would appear to be plastic, but then there is one click to infinity. Oh, the bottom is so cool too. What the? Yo. Look at that. Oh. And then you have your mode switch on the back. You got two little rubber feet on the back. No adjustability in the height. Two rubber feet in the front. Okay, there's your little Type-C. I really like that. That's really pretty. Like the way it catches the light. It's kind of hard to show it on camera. How much is it cost? $99. How fitting. IF99, $99. Hey, it's on sale. It's usually $126. Okay, and then we have little pins. Let's take a look at the pins. I'm getting distracted, but that's the basics of the keyboard. Once we look at these pins, then I'll plug it in and we can take a look at the ooh pretty light. It's kind of hard to read. There we go. Is that Hello Kitty? Oh, that's really cute. I like that. I'll think of somewhere to put them. All right, let's plug it in. Quit yapping already. I want to see pretty light. Whoa, the RGB is really good. There's like a little strip right here. What the heck? The RGB is like very bright. You can even see it. You can even, that's how bright it is. You can even see it like pretty well on camera. Very nicely diffused. Okay, and then when you hit the number, like the number lock, there's like a little display for it. See? And then caps lock. All right, that's a cute little detail. Oh yeah, she's going up on the keyboard wall for sure. So this is the Yunzii IF99 QMK VIA full-size LCD mechanical keyboard. It has this is an aluminum magnetic badge. This is the LCD little screen. We got hot swappable switches inside. It supports Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android. It has an 8000 mAh built-in battery, Bluetooth 2.4G, and wired. They got a few different layers for noise reduction, sound absorption, and a little layer in there to kind of make it last a little longer. High resilience, 5-layer sound fillings, preloop stabilizers on the switches, and ergonomic design. These are your RGB backlight shortcuts, so we can go ahead and do FN plus backspace. That'll turn it on and off. And then you have your FN plus this slash button. You can change to the different effects. There is a lot of them. You have your brightness and your blinking speed. Turn it really slow or make it go fast as boy. And we have the Gateron 0 linear switches. They're pre-lubed, 5-pin, workforce 45 plus or minus 15 GF, total travel 3.60 millimeter, work travel 2.0 plus or minus 0.6 millimeters. Here's the force travel diagram if you're one of those nerds that like stuff like that. And then there's also, I'll leave up the information for the Cocoa Cream V2 switches if interested. This is not what I have, but this is the other option for switches if interested. And then you have your custom LCD screen design. Picture page, you can do FN+9. Looks like the only picture that we have in there right now is just the Yunzii symbol, so I can show that. Looks like there's some GIFs if you do FN+0 maybe? I like that. That's cool. We're going to leave that up. Apparently the battery life, like I said, is 8,000 mAh, which is about 36 hours with the RGB on and 130 hours with the RGB off. Okay, so initial thoughts. I mean, I think it's really cute. I like it. I mean, shoot, for $100, this is all you need. You don't need a $200 keyboard. Like, I mean, we'll see how it feels in game, but I'm like absolutely in love with this. It's really pretty. Like, I don't have any complaints, except maybe like that because the edges are plastic. But I have a lot of most of the keyboards that I review are made of plastic, so I don't know why I'm upset about it. And the little GIF with the little eyeballs, I like that too. Just having something actually cool preloaded onto it where you don't have to download it. Just something cute on there that people could just throw on is nice, especially if people don't want to like download a bunch of software in their computer. It's nice to have the keyboard shortcuts and the buttons. I like having buttons. I like having control over my stuff, not just in the computer, software based. I like hardware. I like real buttons. I like real things that matter, that never go away, that work. That's what I like. Let's play a game. You think they'll emote back at me if I emote at them? Hey, buddy. Hey, emote at me. Hey, come here. Hey, brother, please.
2, 1. Fiesta, king of the
You're cringe. Yeah, cringe. Okay, why does the R feel like it's in the wrong place? I need to hit a snipe, bro. It's for the clip, dude. It's for the video, bro. It's for the video, dog. It's for the video. It's for the video. Why won't you let me do it? If I just stand in the hill with the bat, I think I'm good.
Hill control.
Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Relax. I don't want no trouble.
Hill contested. Hill control.
I don't trust those portals, man. Noise. Where is this guy? Oh, here he is. What the heck? Bro, let me hit the snipe on this dog. There we go. I think we're gonna win this one, boys. Brother? That guy's gone. Oh my goodness. Come get this rocket. Come get this rocket. Woo! I'll kill us all. You think I give a shit? I'll be back. I'll be back for more. That's a dead body. I'm scared.
Kill lost.
I'm concerned. We might lose this one, boys. I can't lie. Oh, I'm in a wall.
Control.
Oh my god.
Hill control. Hill lost.
I'm dead here. I feel it. I feel it.
King Slayer.
Ah, I missed that second one. I missed the second one. Shouldn't have missed that. Now we're going to lose the game. New hill? Where's the new hill? Oh, did we just win by like 1 point? Let's go. Still counts. GG. Alright, final thoughts on the Yunzii IF99. It felt really nice while gaming. Yeah, I don't really have any problems. The only thing that I wish sometimes, but I understand why they don't have it. I just like adjustable feet, but there's nothing wrong with not having them. That's just a personal preference of mine. But overall, I love this thing. I think it's really cute. It's definitely going to go up on the wall. So without further ado, I think we're just going to go ahead and just put it up on the wall right now. Y'all have a pleasant day, and thanks for watching the video on Yunzii IF99. If you'd like to grab one for yourself for $99, make sure to check the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch Tech Review playlist right here. You see this thing? This got some bangers in it. Definitely check this out. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.